We just had our first winter snowstorm. It lasted a couple of days, and we wanted to enjoy the fresh fallen snow before it turned, you know how it gets brown and slushy. Here, our winters are long, and summers are short. Isn't life similar? In this road we call life, we go through happy summer moments, then fall arrives and we feel like all our leaves fall off. We get confused, our leaves begin to dry up. Afterwards, we get hit with a long, cold, harsh winter. These long winter seasons make us feel like problems never end. Some suffer from loneliness, others from financial hardships, and others from sickness. But worst of all, the people that we love seem to disappear from our life, one day to the next. Yet God wants to remind us that this place is not our home. It is our temporary adventure. We are just passing by. No matter what comes our way, God is with us. We won't faint because we trust in God's promises. And this is our blessed hope. Revelation 21:4-7 says, "And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes. And there shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain. For the former things are passed away. He that overcometh shall inherit all things, and I will be his God, and he shall be my son." Psalms 46 says, "God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, even though the earth be removed, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, though its waters roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with its swelling. There is a river whose streams make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacle of the Most High. God is in the midst of her. She shall not be moved. God shall help her just in the break of dawn."